Uh-oh, I felt rain. There we go. What'd you say?
I didn't even think the spokes again.
Oh yeah? It could be. It was the spokes on the motor. Oh. When we get around this field, we're going to go out the way we came in before. Out onto the street. Because it's raining. You feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cold too. Cold rain. Yeah. I think so. Soybean maybe? Ugh. Oh. Well, let's hope there's no dogs. Oh. Oh. And up ahead here, Paul, there's some deep ruts, so that's where I fell before. Deep ruts. Ruts. Ruts.
Okay, right.
Yeah. I wiped out in here. I don't know where they are, but they're probably still here. Aha! And mud. Okay. Reconnoiter first. Where do we go? Straight up the. I'm going to go
In the center.
well, kind of center, just to the left between the big rut and the little rut. There's some grass. That's where I'm going.
Okay.
If I wipe out, just
wipe
throw
out.
me in there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. 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 No, not bad at all. They're not as bad as they were, maybe because the four-wheelers aren't coming through here as much. Oh. 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 Yeah. Oh. Plantain. Yeah, that's a herb. They grow everywhere. There's several that grow around here. I'd like to be sure and find some wild lettuce, or also known as lettuce opium. Big rock in the way here. Oh. Oh. Oh.
So it's just spitting your hand and hit it.
There's I think there's a house over here, or was. Oh, there it is, right there.
Abandoned?
I kind of think so.
Yeah.
But the farm is obviously probably rented out. Ooh, mulberries. Ooh, yum. Love them things. That's Spring Grove Road over there to the left.
Are you heading south where you live?
Well,
South, kind of.
right now we're going northeast.
Okay.
That's Spring Grove Road over here.
And?
That goes north and south.
Yeah. And where are we from? Ringwood? Northeast of Ringwood?
Ringwood Road is over that way.
Oh.
We're south of Ringwood Road.
Okay, we south.
Well, we're kind of on a corner
Southeast.
here, but when you get up on the fence line,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I got an idea.
there's a tractor chasing us. And I think that's all a big estate here to our left. It's all fenced, unfortunately. Oh. 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 Uh-oh. Mud. 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 Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice out here.
Yeah, I thought when they didn't have the no trespassing sign, which I think was bullshit anyways,
Yeah. Somebody put those.
I wanted to bring you back here before.
Oh.
But, you know, circumstances. We're a victim of circumstances. Yeah, but no, it's nice to have this in town like this. I think I hear tree frogs. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a cicada.
Cicada?
Yeah, hit me right in the head.
They don't have to.
It hit me in the back of the head.
When they fly, they make a different noise, I guess.
Oh, I thought that's what hit me. I heard it coming. Oh, look, the fence is out here. Exploring time. Yeah. Yeah, these ruts, you can get caught in them, you know. Then you can't steer and you're going to go down. Well, how does the weather look? Okay, we'll go back the way we came, all total, not go out here. This is where we came in just for a little bit. Oh, Larry the cheese! I'm a victim of circumstances. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, wow, that's wicked. Oh. Yeah. Oh.